Active reading. Unlock your understanding with graphic organizers. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a powerful reading comprehension strategy that's part of active reading, activating prior knowledge. In particular, we're focusing on how you can use graphic organizers to bring your previous knowledge to the surface and help you better understand new English texts. So, what is a graphic organizer? It's a visual tool that helps you organize information and connect new knowledge to what you already know. Graphic organizers can be in the form of concept maps, mind maps, flowcharts, and many more. They are particularly helpful for visual learners, but don't worry if you're not. Everyone can benefit from this method. It promotes understanding by visually representing ideas and relationships. Before you start reading a new text, take a moment to brainstorm what you already know about the topic. Use a graphic organizer to jot down these ideas. Let's say, for example, you're about to read a text about climate change. Before you start, you draw a circle in the middle of your paper and write, climate change. Then, around that central idea, you jot down all the things you know related to it. These might include global warming, carbon dioxide, deforestation, etc. The goal here is not to create a perfect mind map, but to get your brain engaged and thinking about the topic at hand. This way, you'll have a framework to connect new information to. As you read, add new ideas to your graphic organizer. If something connects to a concept you already wrote down, draw a line and add the new information. Let's go back to our climate change example. Maybe you read a section that talks about the role of the ocean in absorbing carbon dioxide. You can add ocean to your organizer and draw lines connecting it to carbon dioxide and global warming. This practice helps you to make connections and deepen your understanding. Plus, it gives you a visual summary of what you've learned. Well, that wraps up our discussion on using graphic organizers to activate prior knowledge while reading. Remember, it's all about connecting new information to what you already know to improve your comprehension. Give it a try next time you read an English text. We bet you'll notice the difference. As always, we're here to support your English language learning journey. Thanks for watching, and happy reading!